Actually, educators must understand the historical truths and current realities of Indigenous nations, and to acknowledge the past wrongs, to foster reconciliation, provide accurate cultural representation, and enhance their own cultural competency. So this knowledge will allow them to create inclusive learning environments that respect and integrate Indigenous perspectives, supporting the academic and personal growth of Indigenous students at the same time. So understanding these aspects would also help educators fulfill ethical obligations, I would say, related to incorporating Indigenous knowledge and histories into the curriculum. So this comprehensive awareness is crucial, actually, for promoting equity, understanding, and respect within the education system. Well, trauma-informed teaching is actually an approach that acknowledges the impacts of trauma on students' ability to learn, and that approach emphasizes creating a safe and supportive educational environment. So this method involves recognizing signs of trauma, ensuring safety and trustworthiness, promoting peer support, encouraging collaboration, respecting students' voices and cultural backgrounds. So implementing that informed practice, the trauma-informed practice, is crucial because it will actually help enhance students' learning and development, and would also reduce potential triggers. It will support the emotional well-being of the students, will foster inclusivity, strengthen the relationship within the school. So overall, it does help students who have experienced trauma feel secure and engaged, and thereby improving their educational outcomes. Teachers are really they're great vectors of information, of learning, and especially with the non-Indigenous kids or children that they teach to. So they play a big role, a very crucial role in the society in general, to make our Indigenous people's cultural history and, everything that relates to Indigenous peoples. They're really a vector of an important vector of information. So I would tell them that get involved, get your class involved. I mean, do an exchange with a school, for example, an Indigenous school. I've seen that, and it's really, really actually gives good results when kids meet each other. So I would really recommend that a teacher that has the opportunity to do a class exchange, that would be, I think, one of the best ways to learn.